All right, welcome to my YouTube channel. So the adventure begins. You ready? Let's go. Let me introduce myself. My name is Eric de Jong. I'm a Dutch-born man. Been married to Robin for 30 years, and we're the proud parents of 2 kids, daughter Sabrina and son Saber. So you might be wondering, what exactly is the channel all about? Well, it's going to be a bit of a mixed bag of all my passions, and they're really the things that I'm passionate about. Think of it as a place where we can explore some fun projects, learn new skills, and maybe even get a little muddy along the way. Consider this a little peek into my world, my family, and my passions, and hopefully you'll pick up something along the way. All just to show that we can have fun, do fun things, and live our lives after 50. First, my new truck. I got it last year. It's a 2025 model, and I'll give more details in a future video. But for now, just want to let you know that I've already made some initial changes, additions, just small things for now. But I've also got a bunch of exciting items that I've ordered. They should be coming in fairly soon, and hopefully we can do some unboxing and get those installed. And obviously those will also be featured in future videos. So whether you're a fellow truck enthusiast or somebody who's curious about specific parts or installations, or you're just interested in seeing how those things are done, I hope that these videos will be informative and maybe even give you some ideas for your own vehicles. Another big passion of mine is photography. I love capturing moments and seeing the world through the lens. I'll be sharing my photography adventures and kind of look at them as vlogs where I go out and shoot. You might even see Robin occasionally joining on these outings. But it won't just be pretty pictures. I also want to share all the things that I've learned over the years that I've been doing this, and hopefully teach you something about photography, whether it's starting with your phone or even a DSLR. We'll cover things like composition, lighting, editing, and maybe even throw in some fun challenges. And finally, because I love getting out and exploring, you can definitely expect some camping content. I'm looking forward to sharing my camping trip, do some product reviews, and maybe even some tips for making your outdoor adventures more enjoyable. We've had some great camping and family trips over the years, and I'm hoping to share those experiences with you and maybe plan some future ones that you can follow along with. Beyond that, who knows what else might pop up. So if any of that sounds interesting to you, whether you're into trucks, photography, camping, or the great outdoors in general, or just enjoy following the adventures of a regular family guy, I'd love for you to stick around. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and tickle my bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. And while you're at it, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section down below and let me know what you might be interested in or what you look forward to seeing. I'm really looking forward to building a community here and sharing this journey with you. Hopefully showing that we can still have fun and do all kinds of interesting things in the later stages of life. Thank you so much for watching my first video. It really means a lot that you took the time to join. I'm excited for what's to come, and I can't wait to share it with you all. Stay tuned for the first real videos coming soon. Until then, take care, and for now, doei!